Zorin OS versus Ubuntu. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down Zorin OS and Ubuntu, two of the most popular Linux distros for beginners, so you can decide which one fits your workflow best. Let's start with Ubuntu. It's one of the most well-known Linux distros out there, and for good reason. It's solid, stable, and comes with great hardware support. Perfect if you're switching from Windows or Mac OS and want something that just works. Plus, it has a huge community and tons of guides online when you get stuck. Now let's talk about Zorin OS. Zorin is built specifically for new users who want a smooth transition to Linux. It even has a special Windows mode that makes the layout feel familiar. Great if you're brand new to Linux and want something that looks polished right away, especially for family members or older users. So which one is better? If you want a strong, widely supported distro with more customization and long-term stability, go with Ubuntu. If you're looking for something more beginner-friendly and designed to feel like Windows, Zorin might be the better fit. Both are awesome, just built for slightly different kinds of users. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.